Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the gamma on Philips 276B. To adjust the color gamma, click on OK button to go to menu. Now click on the down arrow a few times to go to picture, click on OK and go down to gamma. Click on OK, then you can set it to anything in the range of 1.8 to 2.6. Whenever you change it, you'll see how the image changes as well. Once you set it to a value that feels fine to you, click on OK to approve and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.